information that was presented to us was easy to understand. It was well presented and well organised, so all the different time schedules for the different training sessions was well organised.
It was a really good weekend. Obviously to start Friday with training and lots of really informative, good training, good information, lots to take from it, so that was pretty worthwhile for the trip. It was really worth coming to just sort of get some industry information.
I love the training. I thought from early morning, get-go, with sitting down doing 8 hours training right through to PICOScope, it was awesome and I've loved every moment of it.
The facilities here at the track, amazing. Again, the corporate food and beverage and everything, the whole experience was fantastic, you know, something that I've never experienced before and will certainly do it again.
Yeah, I love the tours. The tours are very informative, great guys, great to see where the future of the motor racing is going. Good Sandown Park Raceway, awesome.
Yeah, how good to be able to go in behind the scenes, just see what the big wheel that is Supercars and what has to happen and all the goings on behind the scenes, and it's so good to see that firsthand. So yeah, really good experience. Yeah, absolutely. Money can't buy it, I don't think. Yeah.
So that's a wrap on the Sandown Specialist Training Event for 2022. And keep an eye out for future specialist training events near you.